Hi, I'm Jade from LiQWYD Thompson and I'm here to introduce to you the new two-bed property we have come to the market. I hope you enjoy the tour.
So here you can see the view outside of the entrance of the building. And here's the exterior view. So as you come into the building, you enter the communal lobby area where you can get a lift up to the flat. So as we enter the property, you come into the entrance hallway, and in here we have the bathroom. This is the first bedroom. As you can see, you get some great views from the window, and there's more than enough space for a double bed and storage. Here you can see the open plan living area. On one side you have the kitchen with lots of surface space and storage. And then on the left hand side you have the seating area. So in here we have the second bedroom, and again it's really good size and it comes with built-in storage. And this bedroom comes with a 3-piece ensuite. And finally out here we have this really spacious balcony.
If you like what you see, then get in contact with our tutoring office.